Hello friends, today we're going to be drawing a cute strawberry.
Yeah, so we're going to be drawing a cute strawberry character, so we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go. Alright, so we've got our paper and we've got something to draw with, like a marker. And I think first we're going to draw is the strawberry's body. And so it kind of looks like a little bit of a heart shape. So I'm just going to start up the top here, go up a little bit and then down and around.
Up.
Yeah, and we'll just do the same on the other side.
It's kind of like a heart.
Yeah, that's right. Now the strawberry we've drawn is quite round, but you know, don't realise strawberries are all different shapes and sizes, so you can do it whichever way you like. Alright, so that's the shape of the strawberry, and now we're going to draw some, strawberries normally got green leaves at the top, so we're going to draw that, but we're going to make it look like he's got spiky green hair, which would be really cool. So we're going to draw a couple of leaves. I think I'm going to draw 5 of them. So there's one there. Nice oval shapes like that. You can make them different sizes as well. It makes it look interesting.
Interesting.
Yeah. Like that. Very cool. And let's draw his face. We're going to draw 2 eyes here, kind of just below halfway. And I think I'm going to draw nice big circles for eyes. But there's lots of different ways you can draw it. You can draw a little pupil in there. What I like to do is draw another 2 circles and then colour the rest in black. Just like that.
Just like this.
Yeah, and it looks like you've got some light reflecting off the eyes. It looks, makes it look cute as well. Okay, and then we'll draw his mouth. And I think I'm going to draw a big smiley mouth. Nice, big and wide, because he's a strawberry, because, you know, strawberries are happy. And if you want to, indeed you can draw teeth if you like, but I'm going to draw a big tongue in there as well. It's like saying, yay!
Put little teeth on the bottom.
That is cute, indeed. Alright, so, and next part we're going to draw is, you know, strawberries, they've got the seeds on the outside. So we're going to draw a few of those seeds here. You can just randomly put some little strawberry seeds. They're kind of like oval shapes there. Kind of looks like it's got freckles.
Yeah.
And I might just draw a couple on the bottom here as well. Just like that. Cool, excellent. Now, what I think we'll do is, I think we'll add some, because he's a character, we might as well add some legs and some
arms.
Yeah, and some arms on there as well. So we're just going to do a real simple oval shape there. So it kind of looks like he's standing up. Or you can do really long legs as well. That's funny too. And we'll draw some arms here on the side. Kind of putting the arms up high, so he's like celebrating. Yeah. Alrighty, so that's our strawberry. The next step is to colour in.
Welcome back, everyone.
And we've finished colouring them in. So I've finished my strawberry, nice and red, and I've added lots of little highlights there as well. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. And tell me about your strawberry.
I put a mushroom on her head, and so I put some silly little arms, and I threw a glowing tree here, and I threw a little hummingbird about to eat a watermelon, and a little muddy puddle with a little smiley face on it.
Wow, that's really cool. And your strawberry is really purple. It almost looks like he's wearing a beetroot costume.
Yeah.
That is awesome. Wow, there you go. There's our strawberries. Hope you followed along and had lots of fun with us. And we'll hope to see you again very soon. Bye.
Bye.